Hello everyone, welcome to Nandeep Samarpan Answer Writing Series program. We are discussing again a very important ethics question, and this question is from the Civil Service Values in Administration. And the question is, we have to explain. The demand of the question is explain. What we have to explain? The significance of the public service. The significance of the public service values in civil service and their role to promote good governance. So what is our focus in the question is? The focus is the significance of the values, and the good governance is the focus of the question. Now you understand what is the focus, and the locus is the civil service values in public administration, because this question derived from this area. Okay, so while dealing with the introduction of the question, how we are going to write the introduction for the such questions? We can write the introduction defining the values. What are the values? Values is nothing but the belief system, the core principle that we are holding ourselves. Means it is the moral principles that we have belief in. Our own belief system, it acting as a backbone. For what? It is acting as a backbone for the civil services while performing duty. And we have to maintain, means the public civil servant have to maintain integrity, accountability, fairness and impartiality as the core principles, as the backbone while performing his duty, right? In this way we can able to write the introduction. Again, while writing the introduction, we can write the introduction with the help of example. Means you can give the example, you can give the example of any IS officer. Okay, so these values are encompass ethics, professionalism, commitment for the public welfare, and adherence of the moral principles. Okay, in this way we can write the introduction. While dealing with the main body, definitely the main body is the area where we can write different parameter of the answers, and the first parameter is, and the first value we can write, the first value is accountability and transparency. Definitely accountability and transparency is the value where the civil servant should have to act, and he should have to work commitment towards his work. Means the responsibility he is or she is holding towards their work, and the honesty in his work commitment is definitely needed while delivering such services. Okay, so the role of a building trust in the system will be enhanced. Okay, and the second point is a impartiality and fairness. What is impartiality? Means there is no favoritism towards the particular political group, there is no favoritism towards the particular group of the society. The civil servant should be deliver his policies with a just and equity. Okay, so the fairness in the decision is needed, and the impartiality towards his work commitment is needed. In this way we can discuss this point. Next is a commitment to public welfare, because what is the ultimate aim of the civil servant is to deliver his duty and deliver the fund, whatever the fund, allocate the fund for the beneficiary, those who need it. Okay, so the dedication towards commitment, the dedication towards the committee, and the focusing the area, means he should or she should have to focus for the welfare of the society and not for the individual and not for the personal interest. Means while reducing such conflict of interest, his work commitment is needed. Okay, and the last point is a professionalism. What is the professionalism? Upholding the highest standards, upholding highest ethical standards while delivering the public services is nothing but the professionalism, and this professionalism should be handled efficiently and which need to respect the rule of the law. In this way we can write this point in our main body. So what is the suitable conclusion? So suitable conclusion, we have to compile all the values in our conclusion, and how these values helping civil servant to perform his duty more towards commitment, more towards compassionate, and more towards the fairness and justice. Okay, so effective implementation of the schemes policies, the government officer or the civil servant should have to imbibe all these qualities, and with this help of these qualities he should have to take a fair just decisions. So what is needed for a good fair just decisions for the public good? He should have to hold this belief, hold these principles as an highest standards and as an bedrock and as an the key foundation in his personality. Okay, I hope you are, everyone is clear with this answer. Those who have any comment, any doubt, they can ask me in the comment section below. We are meeting in our next question answer series discussion. Thank you.